everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix can't delete apps on iPhone and iPad. Are you wondering why you can't delete apps on your iPhone? Some built-in Apple apps can't be deleted, but sometimes your iPhone or iPad can't delete apps that it should be able to. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to screen time. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you will see the option of installing apps, deleting apps and in-app purchases. Tap on deleting apps and then select it to allow. You will see a blue check marks appear next to allow. Now leave the setting app and try deleting apps again. Most of the time this is all it takes to fix the things when you can't delete apps on an iPhone or iPad. You still can't delete apps on your iPhone. If you don't care to have any restrictions in place for content, you can disable the feature altogether. This can help you with any further issues you are having with apps that won't delete from your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time. Next, scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions. Next, tap on content and privacy restrictions toggle button to disable it. And you are done. These are two very simple ways to fix things when you can't delete apps on any iPhone or iPad. Now you can remove any apps. I hope this video will help you, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.